In April 2010, a serious radiation incident shocked the scrap market of Delhi. In the busy lanes of West Delhi, at the Mayapuri scrap market, workers were doing their daily work of cutting and sorting metal when danger entered quietly inside a piece of scrap. A metal machine that once contained Cobalt-60, a powerful radioactive material used in medical and industrial equipment, had reached the market through auction and resale. It was sold as ordinary scrap, and no one realized that the radioactive source inside had not been properly removed. Workers started cutting open the machine and handling the metal. Soon, some of them began feeling sick with nausea, weakness, and unusual skin burns. At first, doctors did not understand the reason for their illness, but later medical tests showed signs of radiation exposure. Government radiation safety teams were called to the site, and they used special detection equipment to scan the area. The radiation readings were dangerously high, and authorities confirmed that the scrapyard was contaminated. Parts of the market were sealed, and the contaminated material was isolated for safe disposal. Investigations began to trace how a radioactive source from controlled equipment entered the open scrap market. Cobalt-60 is safe when used properly in hospitals to treat cancer and in industrial systems.